Hey y'all, it's me, Serena. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because I have my April Wantable box to share with you guys. So if you want to see what I got, stick around and keep watching. Before we get into Wantable and the try-on, I wanted to talk about hair for just a minute. It's become a bit of a topic on my channel. I received some feedback on my previous video about my hair from a viewer, and it just got me thinking, and so I put a post out on the community tab asking you guys how you prefer my hair. If you started watching me from the beginning, which is a little over a year ago, you'll know that I had short hair. It was short, like to here. It was a bob, and I had a version of that hairstyle off and on for years, and I just wanted to do something different, so I decided to grow it out, and it took a long time to grow it out, and now it's gotten kind of long and just unmanageable. And I do have an appointment tomorrow to get my hair cut. I was supposed to go last week and my hairdresser got sick, so we had to reschedule. But I'm going tomorrow. So the next video you see after this one will be my new hair. So stick around and see what I did. But I was asking in the post if you guys prefer me with short hair or longer hair. And it looks like the voting is pretty split. But I used to have long hair back when I was younger. But like most of us, my hair has gotten thinner as I've gotten older and more fine. I used to have a lot more texture in my hair. It's not that my hair is super thin. I actually have a fair amount of hair. My problem is growing it past a certain length because, you know, you can see up here, okay, I've got a good chunk of hair right there, right? But by the time I get down to the end of that piece of hair, it kind of wastes away to nothing. And I think a lot of us have that problem. Our hair is just drier and more porous and just not as strong as it used to be. So I've been trying to really baby my hair and treat it well, but it's just in need of a good shape up. So that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. But let me know in the comments below what kind of issues or struggles you've had with your hair as you've gotten older, how it's changed, and what you have done that has helped. And you know, there's all kinds of products out there. There are extensions, clip-in extensions, you know, the real extensions. I've thought about doing that just for some fullness, not necessarily length. They're very expensive, and then you got the maintenance thing on top of that, and I just haven't wanted to commit to that. So let me know how you have been dealing with your changing hair in your 40s and 50s. All right, let's get into Wantable. And you guys know I don't do that many subscription boxes anymore. That started out as the bread and butter of my channel, but as my channel has grown and evolved, I've gotten more away from that, and I do more hauls and that sort of thing, as you know. But I've stayed with Wantable because I love the clothes that they send me. I feel like they're very up to date. The prices I feel like are they're not affordable like Walmart affordable, but they're very moderately priced. And for the quality, I feel like the quality matches the price, if that makes sense. I've been very pleased with the items that I've received from Wantable. They hold up well, they offer some good brands, and they have some of their own kind of in-house brands. And they're just right on the trends, you know, and so that's why I stick with them. And they sent me a beauty this month. Can't wait for you guys to see it. But it's a $20 styling fee, which gets credited toward anything you keep, and you get 7 items, and you get 5 days to keep those items and try them on, and then send back what you don't keep. And if you haven't tried Wantable and you want to, I have a link in my description box down below that'll get you $30 off your first box. So it's a great way to try Wantable and save a little money. And if you still can't find the description box, I made a video showing you how to get there, and I will link that video somewhere up here. So click on that and watch it, and then you will never miss all the good info that we YouTubers include in our description box. Okay, well, the first item from this box that I want to talk about is the earrings that I'm wearing, and you'll see these in at least one of the outfit try-ons over here to the side of me. But these earrings are so cute, and I want to show you a close-up of them. They're made out of like a raffia material, and these are by Panacea. Gotta get my glasses on to read. They're by Panacea. They are the gold hook rounded raffia earring in gold and mint. And these are $24, and I think that's a good price for these. That's not bad at all. They've got the gold design in the middle, and then the kind of turquoise blue raffia all around the edge. I don't have anything quite like this, so I'm definitely keeping these. I love these, and I think they're the perfect thing to jazz up, you know, an outfit like this plain black t-shirt dress, or maybe a white blouse with some jeans, or white and black, you know, just with a very neutral outfit. Some earrings like this would be great to just add a little interest and pop of color. And they're light as a feather, so that is a thumbs up in my book. So that's the first item, is these gorgeous earrings that you'll see me wearing throughout the video. Okay, here's the first outfit, and this is just a simple t-shirt and shorts outfit, but both of these pieces are just outstanding, even though they're pretty basic. The t-shirt, this is by the brand 143 Story. I'm not familiar with that brand, not gonna lie, but it's as you can see, a v-neck pocket tee in the color Jade. I just adore this color. It's like a peacock blue. They call it Jade. It's gorgeous, and it's not 100% cotton. It's got some spandex in it. It's that bouncy material, you know what I'm talking about? So it has kind of more of a silky drape. It's very stretchy, kind of bouncy, and I think it just fits and flatters really well. I like the way it drapes and lays on me. I like the v-neck. It's not too deep. I just really enjoy this top. I loved it from the second that I put it on, and I'm wearing it with these jean shorts. These are by Dear John. Oh, the top is in a size small, and it is $42. And I'm wearing it with these denim shorts by Dear John. They are the Ava cuffed short, and I'm wearing these in size 28, also known as size 6, and they are $69. Now these, I am a jeans and jean short collector, okay? I've got so many jeans and so many jean shorts, but if I find a pair that I really like, I'm going to keep them, because I live in these in the summer. These are a little bit lighter wash than most of my jean shorts that I have, and they've got a lot of stretch in them, so they're super comfy. They've just got the zip fly. They're more of a mid-rise too, and I really appreciate that, being short and short-waisted. So I really like the fit of these shorts, and also they came cuffed, but the cuffs are not stitched down. You can unroll these and leave them down, or cuff them to a different length, however you prefer. So that's a nice detail too. So first outfit, thumbs up for me. Okay, in this second look, all I did was change out the top, and this is the Ella Easy Tank in soft gray by Z Supply. It is in size small, and this little tank top is $39. Now to me, this is more of an athletic wear top. It has that feel. Wouldn't have to be. You could wear this with jean shorts like I'm showing you, but I definitely need this sports bra underneath it, or else this little notch in the front would be too low cut. So I would need a bralette or a sports bra, you know, to kind of fill in that gap. And it is long enough and made with that curved hem, so it's definitely long enough to wear with leggings or bike shorts. At least it is for me. So for that reason, I like this top. It's this comfy, stretchy material. Again, it's going to be great to wear outside walking, or just to my son's sports events, you know, as the weather warms up, with some shorts or something. And this little tank top is $39. Okay, switching it up a little bit from the shorts looks, this is the pocket t-shirt dress by Z Supply. This is in a medium, and it's black, as you can see. It's got the V-neck with the pocket, and this is very, very similar to this dress, which is actually from Amazon. This is similar to this dress, but with some differences. Whereas this black t-shirt dress is more of the stretchy knit. This one from Z Supply, it's that slub knit, if you know what I'm talking about. A little bit rougher, not as stretchy cotton knit. I mean, it still stretches, but not as stretchy. And this one is quite, the Z Supply is quite a bit lower cut. I feel like it's just on the verge of showing my bra. So, not something that I could just throw on and go without worrying about my bra showing. I would need a little something underneath there. And it's a cute dress. I just feel like this particular one that I already had from my Amazon haul fits me a little bit better. Because as you'll see as I turn around in this dress, I feel like it's kind of clinging to my hips and my butt in the back a little bit, and that would make me kind of self-conscious. It's not a bad dress. I just think I already have one very similar to that happens to work for me better. And the price on this dress is $58. This is a nice one. I just don't think it's the best fit for me. In this next look, we're going back to the shorts. And I have another top. This is a peplum ruffle tank top by Levapella, and it's in the size small. This little top is $44, and it's in this cute floral print, and this top is so soft. I can't tell you how soft it is. It's just stretchy, nice fabric, super soft. This top is super cute, but it's just not fitting well on me. It's a size small. I feel like the shirt part is actually a little bit small, like a medium would have fit better, but the straps on this top are already long on me and small, so I know that the straps of a medium are going to be way too long and going to be falling down off my shoulders. So I feel like this top is made for a taller person, or at least someone with a longer torso than the short one that I have. And also it has this little cutout right here where the tie is, and you can just see all my bra right there in that little hole cut out. So that's not working, and there's really not a bra I could wear that wouldn't, you know, show right there. So that's what I'm saying. This is just made for a taller person. It would fit on a taller person better. It's just my petiteness and my short torso that's getting me again. But overall, I think it's a really cute top, and it is $44. Okay, here's the best item in the box by far. Well, not by far, but this is so gorgeous. Y'all gonna love it. And it is this pink and white floral dress by Skies Are Blue. Y'all, this dress is just spring perfection. I love it. This is in a size medium, and this dress is $78, which is not bad for a dress. And this one is just so pretty, so feminine. I mean, I may have myself a new Easter dress. This is the perfect dress for Easter. And I'll be sure to link my shoes and my bag that I'm holding with this dress in the description box down below. But this dress is so gorgeous. I love the pattern. The sleeves are sheer, but then the bodice and the skirt are fully lined. So you've got that for modesty. But it's got the smocked, stretchy waist, and then kind of a tiered skirt with little ruffles. And then the cuffs of the sleeves are elastic with a little ruffle around the cuff. Just darling. And this medium is fitting me just right. And it has the little tie here, but what I really like about it is that neckline isn't super tight up around my neck. So even when I have it tied, it's still loose enough that it's not like choking me or making my neck look super short, which is easy to do. So I love this dress. This is the perfect look for, you know, your bridal showers, your spring weddings, baby showers, Easter, Mother's Day, graduations, you name it, all the spring occasions that you may have, this is just the perfect dress for any of those occasions. So this is 100% a keeper for me, because it's going to be so great to have this in my closet to pull out when I have an event to go to and I need a dress, because this is absolute perfection. I love it. I love the color, love pink, so couldn't do any better for me when it comes to a dress. And my stylist this month was Camille, so thank you very much, Camille. Great box, but especially you hit it out of the park with this dress. I love it. It's fantastic. Love, love, love it. Thank you for sending it to me. Love it so much. All right, so that is my Wantable box for April. Let me know how you think my stylist Camille did. I think she did fabulous. And let me know what your favorite item was in the box. And remember, if you want to try Wantable and you haven't, you can use my link down below and get $30 off your first box. And until I see you guys in my next video, when I'll have shorter or different hair, have a stylish day and happy Easter. Bye-bye.